स्पेशल ऑनवॉय हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स गवर्नमेंट के फॉर मिडल ईस्ट। और आपको पता है कि और ये बहुत ट्रंप एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की और इनकी बड़ी गुर्बत है और एक कीन इंटरेस्ट इन्होंने शो किया है पाकिस्तान के अंदर क्रिप्टो की मामलात को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। तो मैं बिलाल साहब को कहूँगा, आफ्टर मिस्टर बिलाल आई विल इनवाइट मिस्टर जैक विटकॉफ टू शेयर हिज कमेंट्स एंड वी वेलकम देम टू पाकिस्तान, to this great country of ours, which is a beautiful country, which has lots to offer, great opportunities here. And Pakistan is open for business, open for investments. And Pakistan has a great story to tell because in 1 year we have seen a phenomenal economic recovery. And the potential is great and the sky is the limit. As you already mentioned that we enjoy a very strong relationship. So we would like to take this forward, and with regard to the Bitcoin sector, we would like to move forward in the positive direction. And now I would request Mr. Bilal to say a few words.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister. So we want to turn confusion into clarity for the youth of Pakistan, because all of these initiatives are for the youth, and we want to upskill our youth into the nascent technologies like AI, like blockchain. And this is why, you know, we have our wonderful friends here, Zach and Chase, who are co-founders of the World Liberty financial platform. They are some real innovators, real risk takers sitting on this new technology, and they you know, again I would like to thank you to come to Pakistan to really give us the support and open up you know, the area of tokenization for the government on how we can create liquidity out of our illiquid assets. How can we use again stable coins for remittances? We have over 35 billion dollars in remittance coming. How can we make it easier for the Pakistani people and for the Pakistani government to again be futuristic and utilize these nascent technologies for not just for the country, but again I mentioned it's for the youth of Pakistan. Over to you.
Mr. Zach Witkov, welcome to Pakistan, and the people of Pakistan would like to hear you. You are our esteemed guests, and we are honored by your presence.
Thank you, and I'm honored by the hospitality you guys have shown us here, myself and my co-founders. We've built an amazing technology, and together with Pakistan, we want to help the 100 million unbanked people in Pakistan, but we really want to help the country move forward and to enter the digital age. And Pakistan is an amazing country full of very bright minds, very, very talented people in this country. And I think Pakistan, together with World Liberty Financial, is going to be a leader in this new digital age. Whether it be with stable coins or digitizing the enormous amount of rare earth metals that you have here in Pakistan. I think that the sky is the limit in terms of the partnership, and we plan on building a lot in this country, and we're very much excited about it. And like I said, I think the sky is the limit for the future of Pakistan.
The partnership between World Liberty Financial and Pakistan is so important to show what is possible for emerging countries who have already shown the willingness to adopt cryptocurrency, and how this can propel an economy to the forefront of global trade.
I agree. I think we're just opening the door to show the world what Pakistan has already done here. I think a lot of people don't truly understand how deep in this space that they've become and how much talent is poured out of right here. So we plan to shine a light on this amazing place and let those brilliant minds that are here flourish under an environment that's not oppressive, but it's a growth factor. So we hope to help and guide that process as much as we can, and you guys are well on your way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात और नशरियात अता तारड़ गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान में क्रिप्टो से मुतालिक बहुत से मौक़े भी मौजूद हैं और इसके साथ साथ ये एक मरबूत भी निज़ाम है। पाकिस्तान क्रिप्टो काउंसिल और वर्ल्ड लिबर्टी फाइनेंशियल के दरमियान मुआहदे पर दस्तखत हुए। पाकिस्तान ने बहुत कम वक्त में क्रिप्टो से मुतालिक पेशरफ्त भी की है और उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान में क्रिप्टो काउंसिल का क़याम अमल में लाया जा चुका है। वज़ीर इत्तलात ने गुफ्तगू में मज़ीद कहा कि पाकिस्तान में क्रिप्टो से मुतालिक बहुत से मौक़े मौजूद हैं और पाकिस्तान ने बहुत कम वक्त में इस पर काम किया है। क्रिप्टो काउंसिल और वर्ल्ड लिबर्टी फाइनेंशियल के दरमियान मुआहदे पर दस्तखत हुए हैं। वज़ीर इत्तलात और नशरियात अता तारड़ गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान में क्रिप्टो काउंसिल का क़याम अमल में लाया जा चुका है।